Alright, so let's talk about another manifesting hack. But this one we're going to go a little bit deeper. So we're going to heal our inner child. So what I want you to do is, I want you to go to a room that you feel comfortable with. And you want to have some privacy, make sure there's no loud noises, all this crazy stuff. So you want to go in there, you want to have complete silence. So you definitely do not want to bring your phone with you. And what you want to do is you want to find a comfortable position. Once you're in this comfortable position, what I want you to do is I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to focus on your breath. Just focus on your breath. You can feel the cold air going in your nostrils. And then you can feel the warm air coming out your mouth. So I want you to do this over and over. Remember, you have your eyes closed. You're not opening your eyes. It's completely dark around you now. And you're going to do this for about an hour. And once you get to about, 10, 15, 20 minutes, you're going to start losing your consciousness on your body. So just a little warning, don't be afraid. So it's not going to be a bad experience. What you're doing is you're going to go into the state that you have been blocking. So we're going to go through some blockages. We're going to go through some generational curses. So we're going to go through all this. So there's something that's stopping you. There's a problem and you've got to go within. So whether it's finances, self-love, your health, relationships, whatever it is, we're going to dig deep. So whenever you're closing your eyes, you're going to have some thoughts that are going to come into your mind. They're going to come across your mind. But I don't want you to fight those thoughts. I want you to welcome those thoughts. You're going to face those thoughts. You're going to face your fears, everything that's been holding you back. All those negative emotions that people told you couldn't be this, you couldn't be that, you couldn't do this. You've been holding on to it for way too long. And now it's time to release and let go. So the reason I want you to sit down in complete darkness is because you're going to start to lose your senses on the outer world. And you're going to go within and you're going to actually able to heal yourself. And once you actually heal yourself, you're able to manifest the things that you desire because you don't have that guilt in your subconscious mind. You're not impressing your mind with all the unlovely things. The reason you need to face those fears, all of those shadow beliefs, is so you can get past it. That situation or situations that you've been putting along for so long are the situations that are going to help you excel, become a better person. So when you're in complete darkness, make sure that you are in it to get your answers. So you're not going to go in there just, I'm going to do this so I can manifest a house later. No, you're doing the work. You're doing the work right now. You're putting in the work. And once you do this, you realize that everything comes from your mind. Everything comes from the inside. So Neville Goddard teaches us that your imagination creates all reality, and he's never seen it fail. And the reason you might have seen it fail is because you don't believe in yourself. You were told that, it's not possible. We don't have that type of money. Who do you think you are? And you actually believed it. So I want you to sit down in complete silence, complete darkness for at least an hour. And once these emotions start to come from your subconscious mind, from within your heart, I want you to deal with those emotions in the sense that you're understanding why they're there. I want you to become aware of them, but also I want you to become aware that you are the awareness behind it. So it's not you. You're not a bad person. You shouldn't feel guilty. It is your divine right to have everything. So you can manifest your house, your car, good friends, your SP, relationships, health, peace. But you need to go within. Go within and love yourself. So this video is a little bit different, it's a little bit longer, but I want you to heal yourself. Everything comes from your inner child. You haven't healed yourself. You need to go within. So whenever you have issues or you have a dilemma or something that's holding you back, some type of block into your life, go within, and I guarantee you it's coming from your inner child. And once you actually heal this inner child within you, you're going to become free. You're going to be able to use your imagination lovingly and put it into all the things that you love doing. So try this out. Sit in complete darkness for at least an hour. Try this out.